Hi everyone, this is Kim and I'm making your tutorial for larger than mat cuts. Add your image into here however big you want it. You need to ungroup all of the colors and separate them all. It is easier on zooming out so you can see everything on your mat, sometimes a little bit easier. Pull them apart like this. Then you're going to go to Insert Shapes. Get yourself a square. Make the square 11.5 squared. You will need to duplicate this image quite a few times, depending on how many of them that you need. I'm only doing circles for this just because it makes it a little bit easier. So, being as this is obviously larger than a 12 by 12, you're going to highlight them both. So it highlights the front image and the square, and then you're going to slice it, which is right here. It'll do its work, and you will have a box. Delete it. Get rid of it. You don't need it. It's already into pieces. It doesn't matter anymore. There's your first cut. Then you're going to move your other box down here. You can cut these things however you like. However, when you have a lot of little pieces in one, it is easier to make sure that you're cutting them just like you see them. It will also help when you start putting things together. Now you can control and multiple click these images to get them to stay correctly, and then you're just going to slice again. You're going to do this for every single color for the entire image. Period. I started at a 15-inch piece, and I have made up to a 45-inch cat in the hat, which was very difficult with all the stripes. You basically just repeat the process for every single layer, for every single color, and then you will hit go, and it will give you each piece on one mat. When you're done, then you are just going to end up putting them together to make your image again once it's all cut out. For my back pieces, where this would be the back piece and this would be going on top, I generally put a backing behind them a little bit, either a couple strips of paper here and here, something to hold it all together. Once you get all the layers on top of it, it will hold itself pretty well. They do stick to the wall and stay up pretty well, but if you're going to have somebody touching it, you need to add a little bit more to the back to make sure that it is secure and is not going to fall apart after all of that hard work that you are going to put into it. Thank you, everyone.